One of the most essential components of a Pixi.js application is the assets package. The assets package serves as a storage for your application's assets, such as images, videos, JSON files, and fonts. To load a texture for a sprite, we've been using the async await keywords, which is a concise and clean approach to do the task. However, we can also use the classic then method. So I'll call the load method here, follow it by then to specify what should happen once the loading process is complete. In a previous video, when I discussed using external fonts for the text, I advised against using that method. To better understand why, let's revisit that. As you can see, the font hasn't been applied. However, if I refresh the page, the font will be updated. Now I'll clear the cache and refresh the page, and once again the font isn't applied unless I reload a second time. Strange, isn't it? Well, in short, the reason behind this is that the application, and more specifically the text component, was added to the stage before the font loading process was complete. But once that was done, the font was stored in the cache. Therefore, after reloading the page a second time, the font was already available and thus applied to the text. And this is definitely not the experience you want first-time users of your app to have, unless you inform them to reload the app while using it, which is not the best solution out there. So, to resolve this issue, we need to load the font using the assets package. First things first, download the font and copy it to the public folder or a subdirectory within that folder. Now, similar to what we did with textures, I'll call the load method from the assets package, then I'll assign the font to the font family property. By doing this, we ensure that the text object is not created until the font is loaded. Let's clear the cache once again and reload. And there we go.